Good morning, my lovely students. I am your maths teacher, S. Kiran. Welcomes you all back to the another session of maths online classes. So, students, I think, do you know what we will study today? In previous video, we have completed exercise number 5.2. Yes, 5.2. So, apart from it, in this video, in this session, we will complete exercise number 5.3. So, are you ready? Without wasting the time, use the headphone for the better listening and experiencing, and take out your textbook and get ready for the today class. See students, in today, come to the page number 84 and see the question. Question is that write in the following numbers in expanded form. Expanded form. Have you listened? Expanded form. Students, I think expanded form in class 2 or 3 you may study. It means you have to write according to their place. If you have studied about the place value, then you must know how to write according to place. So students, but it is you have to write in the standard form. Standard form. It means you have to write in exponential form as well as in the exponent. In expanded form. So students, what we will do, simple, see the number 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. So now what we will do, it is 3, do 3, multiply by which number? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many places, how many 0 will be there? 5 0. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 to the power 1 upon 5 0. Why? Because after 3 there are 5 digits are there. So can you write this number in the form of 10 to the power 5? Can we write in exponential form? In previous videos or in the previous questions, I think we have done already such types of questions. We can write this number into exponential form. Okay, so remove this 10,000 and 1 lakh, what the numbers are appeared. So mention over here 10 3 into 10 to the power 5. After that put the plus. Which number is there? 5. So put here 5 into 1. 1 upon how many 0? 1 2 3 4. Leave the digits 5 and the rest of all numbers put 0 instead of the numbers. And whenever you will put the 4 0, this 4 0 can you write this removing 10 to the power 4? Can you write? Yes. Next plus what is the number? 6 into 1. How many 0? 3 0. So instead of 3 0, what we will write? 10 to the power cube. After that again plus 7 into 1. It means upon double 0. Instead of double 0, can you write a square? Now plus 0 into 1 to the power 0. What will be done? 1 to the power 1. Resultant 1. 1 will be 0, 0. Okay students, this is all about expanded form. This is all about expanded form. It means you can write 10 to the power 5 instead of 10 1 0 0 0 0 0 5 times. How many exponent is given? Okay students, both are right. It is in the exponential form, that is in the, but it is also in expanded form. Okay students. So now question number B and C, it's your turn to do. So do it. Come to the question number 2. I am coming on the question number 2. Write the following in scientific notation or a standard form. It means that question is given and question say write in a standard form. How will write? Say question number 2A 220 000 comma 000 comma 000 000. See students, I hope with the introduction session, if you have seen, then you have shown they already elaborated how to write in a standard form. To write in a standard form, what you have to do? From left hand side, vary a first digit. After first digit, put decimal and all make it decimal part. So 220 triple zero triple zero comma triple zero. How can you write 2.20 triple zero triple zero triple zero? Can you write, students? Or we can write in the same way, or otherwise we can write also instead of this number. See, instead of this number, can you write 2.2 into 10 to the power triple zero triple zero triple zero triple zero triple zero? Can you write? Instead of this number, what can we write? 2.2 into 10 to the power 33639. 33639. 1 10 or 1 digit this much. Are we taking? After this one, how many digits are there? 2. So 1 digit here. How many will be there? 10 to the power 11. 30 30 30 90 1 10 0 or 1 digit here 11 0. It means 2.2 into 10 to the power 11. Are you getting my point? This is your standard form. So, students, one or more questions are there, one or two questions are there. So, I hope and I expect from everyone that you should do by yourself. And now, we are going to discuss about question number 3. See question number 3. Question says, how many seconds are there in a leap year? Students, how many seconds in a leap year? Express it in a standard form. Exactly, students. It's a question not too hard. It is asking about how many seconds. It means number of seconds. You can say that number of seconds in a leap year. Leap year is equal to what? That you have to calculate. So, what is the question? Number 1. 1 leap year is equal to, first of all, we should convert leap year is equal to how many days? 366 days. Then after, 1 day is equal to how many hours? 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? Sorry, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. See, students, now it becomes easy to calculate. It becomes easy for calculation. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 seconds. Can you write 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour? Can you write 60 minutes or 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds? If 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, if 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, then 24 hours is equal to 3600 into 24. What the content will be there? 86400 seconds. Students, it's very simple. Only you have to calculate and easily. So, if 24 hours is equal to 8640 400 seconds, then 24 hours is equal to 1 day. 24 hours, it means 1 day is equal to 86400 seconds. Then if 1 day is equal to these much answers, then 366 days is equal to what? 366 days is equal to 1 leap year. 1 leap year is equal to 86400 multiply 366. What the answer will become, students? 31622 400 seconds may become. Okay, so multiply it. It's your duty. 31622 400 seconds. If we want to write in a standard form, what we will do? We will do simple. 3.1622 400. Can we write? Instead of this one, what can we write? 3.1 into 3.1 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After decimal, 7 digits are there. So can we write 10 to the power 7? 10 to the power 7. So 3.1, sorry, 3.16224. Okay, student, 00 into 10 to the power 7 seconds. Can be write. You can write 10 to the 3.1622400, or you can write 3.1 into 10 to the power 7 also. I think, students, question number 3. So discuss on question number 4. Question asks, if the velocity of light is equal to 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Calculate the distance traveled by light in a light year. Or in its standard form. 1 light year is equal to, students, can you say? The light travels during the year, that is called light year. Say, students, what is the velocity of light? Question number 4. See, velocity of light is equal to 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So students, now it is asking about distance traveled by light in a light year. Distance traveled by light in a light year. Then what will be the answer? As we know that one year is equal to how many years? See, students, 1 year is equal to 365 days. Or one day is equal to how many seconds? 86400 seconds was there. In previous calculation we have shown. In 1 day is equal to 86400 seconds. Then 365 days is equal to when you will calculate, then you will found 315. 1 year is equal to 365 into 86400 seconds. What the calculation will become? When you will do, the calculation will become simple. 31536 second. Say, students, it means during the year what seconds light travel 3153600 seconds. You do the multiply. Okay, after multiplication you will get it. So now we have to write in a standard form. To write in a standard form, what you will do? Simple. After the first digit you will put decimal and put all the numbers. Then after this number will multiply by how much? After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 10 to the power 6 seconds. You can write 3.10 to the power 6 seconds. Wait. 10 to the power 7 seconds. Students, it will far better if you will multiply then the original what is the value that you will get. Okay, so already I have did, but in spite of you should try it by yourself. Okay, so 3.1 it is your answer. Now the question say already velocity is 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. So students, it is the light year during light year it travels how much second it is coming, but the velocity is that 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. What actual value will be there? So we can say that 3.1536 into 10 to the power 7 multiply 3.0 into 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8. Okay, here base is same, then power will be plus, but this number are different. When we will multiply, what number will come? That number will come 9.4608 10 to the power 15. 10 to the power 15 meter. Okay, meter per second. See, students, this is all about the question number. Exercise number 5.3. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now question number 5 or 6, one questions are there. So, and this is all about only on the basis of the standard form. So, students, this is your turn to do question number 4 and question number 5 and question number 6. So, what the questions they are left in this exercise? It's humble request to do as a homework and send back to me. That's all. Thank you.